So
Another question on the heels of that, if you go traditional, how long do you suggest self-editing before you actually send something around?
the when are you finished?
Yes.
Um, because the querying process doesn't always, because most of them only say send the first few chapters. Um, because the querying process can take a long time, I would recommend that you fill up your time with doing a little self-editing. But the when is it finished? I think goes back to, um, is this the story that you want to tell? Oh, wait a minute. I on my group on my page, I put out a link to Florida Writers Association, and uh, they put an article. When is it done? Let's see if I can find it. Here it is. All right, let me copy the link and put it here. Of course. That's probably going to take you through 6 different windows, but tell me if it doesn't take you any place. It should be Florida Writers Association blog, and it'll be something like, stop here, how to know when your work is ready to go out.
It's here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when I copied the link, it copied the whole Facebook coding, and I'm like, that's not what I wanted, but but anyway, so I'm a member of the Florida Writers Association, and so their blog isn't always great. Sometimes it feels a little bit more like they're very basic. But this one, the third is 3 crystallized questions that very much like my approach, getting a workbook style thing. Can I answer this question in a sentence? Can I answer this question in 2 sentences? If I can't, then I'm not quite there yet. So it's thinking about your work in terms of its succinct essentials. And if you don't have all the essentials down, then yeah, you're not ready to send it out. So we've talked before about what it feels like, what it looks like, how it but sometimes some people like just 3 crystallized questions and it may speak to you in a way that some of the previous things haven't. I like light bulb moments.